I think a lot of students who are going home are going to be around, a lot of older relatives going to different places around the country. So it's probably a good idea to have a negative result before interacting with people.
SUNY students learning just today that they will be required to test negative for COVID-19 before heading home for the holidays. The SUNY chancellor making that announcement just this morning. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ala Arabi is on campus with reaction to the new mandates.
UB students have mixed reactions to the SUNY system's new guidelines for Thanksgiving break. All on-campus students will be required to test negative for COVID-19 within 10 days before leaving campus for Thanksgiving break.
While only one person is positive, it can spread a lot of people, so it's really helpful.
Making them test before going home, I don't know how much of an effect that'll have on keeping the cases down.
The SUNY system says campuses have to develop schedules that conduct the test as close to a student's departure date as possible. All 64 colleges and universities will test roughly 140,000 students over a 10-day period before the Thanksgiving break. The system-wide policy is meant to reduce the chances of COVID-19 community spread.
I'm going home, I'm going to be around my family and my grandparents, and I definitely don't want to get them sick, so I think that's a good idea.
But others disagree.
I really don't understand why, because it doesn't really affect anyone here. I think I should be able to go home whenever. I don't see why I have to even take a test, because I'm not going to be back here for another 2 months.
UB's Thanksgiving break begins November 25th. A UB spokesperson says the university is still working on its plan, which per SUNY's guidelines needs to be sent to SUNY by November 5th. If a residence hall student tests positive, they will be required to isolate on campus. These students would be provided meals and care during quarantine. No students will be returning to campus after Thanksgiving. UB is shifting to full remote learning for the last 3 weeks of the semester. In Buffalo, I'm Ala Arabi, 7 Eyewitness News.